Hello everyone and welcome to our Japanese mini truck channel. In our video today, we'll be looking at some of the simple daily checks on your mini truck. Every vehicle needs some kind of attention. That is the best way that you're going to get reciprocated services from it. Without proper care and maintenance, you will not get good services for long. You need to understand that any machine with moving parts wears out and needs to be maintained. This is the same case for the Japanese mini trucks. They need to be well maintained. This guide features some of the simple daily checks on your mini truck that could make a huge difference. Some of them could even ensure your safety while using the vehicle on your daily routines. Here are some of the crucial things that you could perform to your vehicle like a morning ritual and have the vehicle in perfect shape. Number 1. Checking the radiator water levels. Water is crucial to the vehicle, just like it is for humans. This is because for the engine to cool down, water is needed. And so, if it is not enough or the level has gone down, then it could mean that the vehicle wouldn't have sufficient cooling. This could cause the engine to overheat and cause more damage. You should top up the water regularly, and after a while, consider emptying the radiator and replacing all the water. Number 2. Check the oil levels regularly. This is one of the most important checks that you should never miss. If the oil level in your mini truck is not right, then you could experience things going bad. Some parts of the vehicle could start grinding each other or cause overheating of the engine, which could be more disastrous. Number 3. Check the brake fluids regularly. Brake fluid is often ignored by many people and assume that everything is okay. Some even don't know that it exists. Brake fluid is important because it is responsible for the braking system. It is this hydraulic fluid that is used. If the brake fluid level goes down, then it could be disastrous because the braking system could fail. This is therefore one of the simple checks that are life-saving. Lastly, you need to check the tire pressure and the threads of the tire. Tire pressure is very important. Having tire pressure that is either low or higher than the normal means that the vehicle is not balanced. Driving a vehicle under such unbalanced situations is dangerous. The threads are also important to check and should be done regularly. By doing this, you can easily spot cracks, nail stubs, among other things. These are very simple routine daily checks that one should never miss. They could make a huge impact. Some of them could even be life-saving. So, you need to do this as a morning ritual before you move out with your mini truck. This brings us to the end of our video today. Be sure to check out some of the Japanese mini trucks on sale in our listing page. Follow the link in the description of this video for more on that.